Video tour of Irish Creek Subdivision.
Let's hit it. Hi, this is Alan Vittoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, please subscribe and get notified.
Honestly, we get calls and texts all the time at 252-327-3357, so we can't wait to talk to you. Hi, welcome to our driving tour of the Irish Creek Subdivision, which actually has 3 different HOAs within it, but this is another HOA community. It is right off of Old Tar and War Evans, if you want to be in Greenville, and then Fire Tower Road, and this is a nice community in the back. There are 3 different HOAs because they were built in different times. Most of these homes are custom built as well, with the exception of the Glen Castaway homes, which was a planned subdivision within one of them. But the other 2 are definitely, the brick veneer, the custom built, where you have different builders, and I kind of just want to give you a sense of this lovely community. The schools, what are the schools according to the MLS?
According to MLS, the schools are Wintergreen, Hope, and South Central.
Great. And then what about the HOA? How much are these HOAs?
Most of the HOAs are $150 a year. And as my wife said, there are 3 different HOAs that they running these houses.
As you can see, the brick veneer is pretty much a staple of most of these HOAs, as I told you. So what about the community itself? Tell me more about how far we are from the hospital.
Yeah, we are basically 6.1 miles from the hospital. And we can say that also from the East Carolina University, we are 4.9 miles the main campus, and we have the medical center, Wintergreen Physician Prime Care Center, Winterville Pediatrics, ECU Physician, and Wyden Healthcare, one of the many of the healthcare provider around this area. We are passing by the Westmeath Drive, and we are going to Leggins Circle. And these houses actually, as my wife said, most of them are custom built, and a lot of acres is 0.28 always to 0.64, 65 acres of land. We are in the Leggins Circle. Leggins Circle houses in 4420. They sold it for $515,000. In 4448 in Leggins Circle sold for $599 a while ago. And let's see, more Leggins Circle, 485, 4324, and now we have one also that is sold, I think, 465.
That was a very small one.
That was a small one. And also further, when we go down this circle, there's 4105 that was sold for $525. Therefore, in Leggins Circle, basically the houses are 500 and
which I remember was the last of the new construction.
Yeah, this is Boyne Way that they have also new construction for a couple of houses back there. But you see that these are all brick houses, and it's beautiful and sitting on a big acre of lots. And then there's just a nice mature landscape here. And also they are not all 150. As my wife said, there are a couple different companies that run the HOA that some of them actually their fee is $250. And about the restaurant
Okay, so I always pick restaurants based on my kids. So I know if you are into fine dining, my restaurant choices will not be yours. This is just a sampling. We have everything around here. So this is just what might be around here. So Angus Grill, Familia, Basil Restaurant and Pizzeria, Sam Jones Barbecue, more old-time barbecue and seafood. But like I said, there can be tons more. I just picked a few sampling based on where I would take my kids if I lived in this neighborhood.
Yes. And do you want it to show more, or?
I think you've gotten a sense of what this community is. You can see it's a lovely little community. Your Glencastle Way is a subdivision off here. That one is newer construction, and that is the planned subdivision part of this community. And they do not have this brick veneer; they have vinyl. But you can still be in this, closed-off community, new construction, vinyl, at a good price as well. And like
these two houses just on your right side, you see these are just a couple months ago. They just moved in. They were brand new construction. And we are going back to the Blackwater Road, but we definitely have a Slaney Loop, Westmeath, we have Boyne Way that we drove, and then we have Westmeath and Glencastle Way that my wife said is a planned community. They are most of them vinyl siding houses.
I hope these videos are fun for you. We love driving around and showing you all of the areas of the Greenville, Winterville area, Greenville, Winterville, 8 and Farmville areas. And if there is a subdivision that you are really curious about, that you want a driving tour in, please hit us in the comments. We are happy to show you. Talk to you soon. Bye. I hope you loved our driving tour of Irish Creek Subdivision with the Glencastle Way. Please don't be shy. We love talking to you to buy and sell in this area. Call us at
252-327-3357.